Welcome to Big Padlock Self Storage. Are you thinking about moving home, renovating or decorating? Or maybe you need to store business documents? Our self-storage units could be the perfect solution for you. We also have a variety of offices available at selected locations. These offices are perfect for small to large businesses of any kind. Maybe you're looking for a workshop for personal or business use. Well, we can offer fantastic workshop units, perfect for any project. Head to bigpadlock.co.uk for more information. Big Padlock, your local storage solution.